Hey, good morning, guys. We got this beautiful Toyota Tundra that we're going to be working on today. Today should be a good day. We got a whole bunch of setups coming through. This guy is going to be getting a ready lift put onto it. Let's go over the little spec sheet here. So it's going to be getting the 4-inch front, 2-inch rear ready lift, and then some 305, 70, 18, Centennial trail hogs. Real quick before and after. It's that first morning appointment, bro. Yeah, it's 305, 70, 18 Centennials. And then it's just getting this ready lift. New bolts. I'll give you guys an in-depth. This is on ground level now. You see kind of the difference. Should take like a measuring tape up to it, but we're over at broken axle. These guys are the guys that do over lift kits. This one, like I said, is going to be getting that ready lift put in and some bigger rubber. I'll give you guys a follow-up picture. Holy guys, we've been getting so many Jeep Wranglers coming in this whole week. I got another one we just finished up behind me. This one's got some fuel beasts and it's got some DFG KO2s. I will link all the actual specs for the wheels, the offsets, if there's any trimming needed, and then obviously the tire size. But yeah, let's get into this one. Yeah, for sure, yeah. I think the flares will make it look really nice too once you got it all there. Good morning, guys. I thought I'd start the video off here in my car before I had to get into the shop. That you guys give you a quick rundown of what's going to be going down today. So we got a couple setups coming in today. We got a lot of people coming in for their winter setups because we are kind of slowly trickling down into the winter season. And you know, for Calgary, where we're located, there's going to be some, you know, they're saying there might be a little bit of snow this weekend, so people are probably in a rush to get all that stuff done. But we still have some wheel and tire setups coming in today. We have a Ram 1500 that's going to be getting a leveling kit. New wheels and tires. We got something kind of a little bit unique. We usually don't really do too many of them, but it's a Nissan Frontier, a Pro 4X actually, and we're actually going to be leveling it front and rear. We'll go through the in-depth tour of that guy, give you guys the full breakdown of all the parts, all the stuff that we use. But further ado, man, let's get into it. Let's go. I begin to yeah. Alright guys, so Jeremy's just ripping that part right there, the ready lift. This will be going in the Pro 4X there. I'll give you guys a quick in-depth tour. You want to just open it up from there? So I'll show you guys what stock suspension looks like. We don't do too many Pro 4Xs here, so this will be a little bit interesting. So this is like a 2-inch, 2.5 up in the front there, Jeremy?
Yeah, it looks like 2.5.
2.5. It's a pretty basic kit, but you do have to take apart the strut, I think, too. Cool. Yeah. You're lucky I didn't catch on the video. Alright guys, back with another one. So we just finished up this Dodge here behind me. This bad boy just got a 2.5-inch leveling kit put in it. We got some new wheels and tires. I'll give you guys a pretty good in-depth tour of this one too. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this guy's got the UFOs. Those are the 862s, black and milled, 20x10 with a -24 offset. And then of course wrapped in some Centennial trail hogs. These are some 35, 12.5, 20s. And as you can tell, there's no rub on either front or back. It's crazy what you can fit in the Rams and the 1500s because the wheel wells are so big. But yeah man, what do you guys think? If you guys can drop a comment below. If you guys like all the setups we're doing, make sure you guys are commenting, liking, and of course make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's get it. Video of this guy. Guys, we're back at my favorite angle. Back to show you guys another build that we just finished up. This is that Toyota Tundra that we first started off the video with. I thought I was gonna get it in the next video, but luckily we got it finished right for this video. But yeah, let's check it out. It's got that regular foot in it with a 305 7018 trail hogs. I know we see that tire on every single truck down here. Obviously the Centennials and Rahitas are some of our best sellers, and then obviously we sell everything else in between, like, you know, our Toyos, Nittos, BFGs. But yeah, let's take a look. So it does sit quite a bit higher now with them ready to put in. It's got a 4-inch up in the front, then I believe it's a 2-inch in the rear, and this is the TRD 4x4 off-road package. And then we have the stock wheels with the 305 70 18 Centennial trail hogs on there. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, this is a really popular tire. It's because it's snowflake rated, especially for our weather. It's great. The tread is really nice, kind of aggressive looking. Still not too bad. A little bit louder than obviously your full out ATs, but still a really good looking tire. It looks really similar to the, like I said, that Goodyear Dirt Track. But this setup came together really nice. Adjustable for us, not a full suspension, so this got a block. Alright guys, this is just our last truck of the day. This is going to be getting the UFO 388 black and milled, wrapped on some Nittos, and man did this thing come out great. The white on white looks fantastic. Alright guys, so we'll finish up the video here up in the front of the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed all the setups we had coming in today. Like I said, we'll be trying to drop as many videos as we can throughout the week. We do get a little tied up here, especially because we're kind of crawling into that winter rush season, but we still got a couple of wheel and tires coming through. If you guys want to tune in tomorrow, we will be finishing up that Nissan Frontier. If you guys have any questions, hit us up in the comments, like the video, and subscribe. Thanks.